Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amiazi fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making off shoulder princess doubt bustier. Is going to have a puff sleeve and effect or basket on the waistline. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share my video with your friends, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to watch this video. Please watch to the end.
So this is the material that we are using to make our princess doubt bustier, and this is the main fabric. This is the front side of it now that we are using to make it, and this is the wrong side of it that we will start with our measurement, and it has a puff sleeve on it and effect of a basket waistline. So we start with our measurement because up shoulder. So when making your up shoulder, you take away from your tape rule. So what I'm pointing out for you that we are using out is 5. Is 5 that we are taking out to get our length. Our length is 19. So that is the length side of the top that we are using to make. So I'm marking it, continue to mark our 19 and take away our 5" from the tape. So we're done with that. So we start with the nipple to nipple, that is the center of the bustier that we are making. I'm marking 4 is what that I'm marking there. Continue to mark your 4 and get to the end of our length measurement. So that is the 4 there now. So we rule, and that is what I'm using my hand to roll it out to get a straight line. So we're done with that. It's 4". So now we start with 1" to get the doubt puff very well, that the bustier. So it's 1" that I'm marking throughout also for the straight line, so that it will puff very well, that is to cup very well. So that is 1" now that I've done, and it's a princess cup that we are making. So that is it. Now to start with the nipple line, so that is the nipple line is 11. So that is the 11 there. After the nipple line, you continue to mark to the underbust is 14. So that is the 14 there that I'm marking there now. And remember to take away from your tape rule. So that is what I'm doing there because it's up shoulder and it's a princess doubt bustier that we are making. So after the underbust, what next is the waistline. So we'll mark from the waistline also. So I'm just marking it out for you to see very well to get the measurements clear. So that is the waistline also. My waistline, that is the half length, is 16. So that is the 16 that I'm marking there also for my waistline. So that is the waistline, and that is the length of the top that we are making. So now we start with our proper measurement. So from the nipple to the underbust is what I'm pointing out, that I'm carving out. So from the nipple is what I'm marking to the underbust. So that, can you see how it is from the underbust to the nipple? So from the nipple again, so you mark to that 1" that we mark because it's a princess cup doubt that we are making. So can you see how it is now? Remember, it's a princess cup doubt bustier that we are making. So that is it now. So can you see how it is now? So now we'll start with the measurement for the bust. Our bust is 38. So you mark your 38. Remember to add your 1". We're adding our 1" and to add our proper allowance for the sewing 2" that are added there. So come to the waist. Our waist is 28. So 28 you mark, that is 7. You mark it and remember to add that your 1" also. Adding my 1". That is what I'm doing there now, 1". And after the 1" you add your 2" sewing allowance there. So that is 2" sewing allowance, and come to the hip side, that is the downside of it now. So we add and get our measurements. What I added there is 40. So you mark and mark to connect together, that is from the bust to the waist, from the waist to the hip line side. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please watch my video to the end and share it to your friends. Please, I've done something like this before, so you can watch my previous video to the end so that you will learn more and understand what we are doing here. So that is the cutting side that I'm doing there now. So I'm cutting it out now for you to see how it is. So after cutting this front side, is the back side that will now cut out. So but now we are doing the front side. I remember it's a puff sleeve that we are using to complete this top that we are making. So we use elastic to gather it so that it will come out. So what I'm doing there, I want to cut out, and I will start with the middle side, that is the center side. So I'm just pointing it out for you to see what I want to cut out. So we'll start the cutting side now, that is the middle side of it now that I'm cutting. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So this is the way you cut your basket waistline. But first, we have not cut it out. We'll go and join the pieces together before we now cut that effect of that basket waistline. So we are just doing the cup, the bustier first now, and that is what we are doing there now. So that is the cutting. So we'll cut it out, and that is the underboard that I'm just notch. Remember to notch it so that you can get the actual side of that underboard. So this is the side of it that I'm also cutting out. So I've done that. So what I will also do is just to notch the side of it also. So I've notched it out. So I'm just trimming out those side that is not the length. So we're done with it. So let me just open it for you to see. So can you see how it is? This is how it will be, and you go and join it to the middle side of it, and it will come out. So can you see how it is? So we're done with the front, and now we'll go and lay it with the back side. So this is the back side, using the middle side to lay and the side, and also to get your zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I added is 1.5 inch that I added there. So can you see how it is now? So you now roll it, and that's what I'm rolling out to get the line for the zipper allowance. So now this is the side of it. I'm putting it out for you to see. So you just fold it the way you are seeing me doing, so that it will not appear, because it's the back side that we are cutting now. So can you see? So I use my other scissors to lay it down so that it will not appear together shape. Remember, it's backs that we are cutting now, the back side that we are cutting now. So I'm cutting out the middle side of the back, so using the front to lay it, and the side of the front to also lay it, to get our side back and our center back. So that's what I'm doing there now. So can you see how it is now? So I'm cutting it out for you to see. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please watch my video to the end, please. So this is it now. So we are cutting the side of it now. So I want to cut it out. So that is the cutting side of it now that I'm doing now. So can you see how it is now? So we're done with it. So very lovely. So can you see, very easy? So it's lovely to watch, and do it on your own. Please do it on your own so that you can wear it out. So you can wear it on your jeans, you can wear it for your skirt. So this is it. So can you see how it is now? So let me open the zipper side of the back. So let me open it out for you to see, because that is the center side of the back now. So I'm opening it out for you to see now. So can you see how it is now? So what next? We'll take it to the machine and go and stitch together the pieces, join everything together and iron it out. So this is what we'll go to. I'm going to go and do on the machine. So can you see how it is now? So that is the middle side of the back, and that is the zipper side. So we're going to stitch it together and iron it out. So now I want to use the back and the front to cut out the neck now, because we are not done with the neck. We have not cut the neck out. So, and that is where we'll now do our effect of our basket waistline. So the neck now is what I'm marking now. I'm marking 3.5. Is 3.5. Bringing it down, like the cleavage is 1.5. So I don't want it to be too down. So that is the v-neck that we are cutting out there now. That is the front side, while the back side will be round. So that is the round side that I'm also cutting. So we'll cut the neck for the back first before that. So what I'm doing now is the effect of the basket waistline. So it's 16. That is my waistline. So from my waistline is where we'll now get that our effect of our basket waistline. So and that's what I'm doing now. So let me use my ruler to roll it for you to see how it will be. So that is it now. So from there, under the waistline is where you now get that your shape of that your basket's waistline. So we're done with that. So now is the armhole I want to show you now. So I'm still checking it out for you to see that that's 16. So under there is what we'll cut out now. So we'll cut it out now to get that our shape of our waistline. So this is the armhole side. 1.5 is what I've done there now. So now cut it out. So can you see how it is now? So we are cutting it out now from the middle side to get to our waistline, and our waistline is 16. Remember, it's 16 that I marked there now. So that is it. If your own is 17, fine. So you also mark it and get that your shape there. So that is the cutting side, the remaining side of it that we are cutting out the fabric. So can you see how it is now? So we're done with that. So now is the neck. I'm cutting the back neck first, that is round neck, before we now cut the front neck. So this is the round neck now that we are cutting, and that is the armhole side that I'm also cutting out. So we're done with the back neck now. So is the front neck now. So I'm taking it up. You can see that I've raised it up so that it not affect the back side. So we'll cut out the V now. So the front neck we also cut it out. So can you see how it is now? So this it has done. So what we'll go and do now, just for us now to cut our sleeve now. It's our sleeve that we want to cut now. After cutting the sleeve, you go and puff it out. Puffing it out, we go and stitch it to the main body of our top, and before you know, our top is ready. So that's what I've done there now. So can you see how it is? So the length of our sleeve now is 10. So it's marking it 10 is what I'm marking for you to see there now. So just for us to go and opening it, and we'll use elastic to pass it through, and it will have that our puff sleeve. So that is it now. So I'm taking it to the machine to go and stitch. So now can you see how it is now? So very lovely. So you can see what I'm still showing you, that we'll go and stitch together and use our elastic to stitch it, to pass it through. So I've stitched it and want to use that elastic to stitch it, to pass it through. So can you see how it is now? So it is up and down that we are using the elastic to pass so that it will puff out. Remember, it's up shoulder that we are making with effect of back steel waistline and a princess cup buster. So that is what I'm doing on this top. So can you see how it is now? So this it will be, and after that we go and stitch it on the main top. So this is the two sides of the sleeve. So we are done with that. So go and just stitch it to the main body of the top. So this is the main body of the top that we'll use and stitch it, and the top will be ready for us to wear out. So this is it now. So
Guys, our top is ready. Our princess dart bustier with an off shoulder, and it's going to have puff sleeve and effect of basket waistline. So guys, you can watch this video again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also turn on your notification bell. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.